the thank you page on your courses. From the dashboard, go to Courses and go into a course. If you already have the course open, head across to Pages. The third page in the checkout sequence for your course is the thank you page. People reach this page by going through the checkout process. This page is hidden unless people come through the checkout page process. Inside here you can see the amount of unique visitors. These are new visitors to your site shown here. You can also see the total number of views. This is a mixture of people that have already visited your site and unique visitors. On the right hand side you can see a conversion rate. This rate is the amount of people that have come through this checkout page, and generally it means they have bought the course. You can see here that we can copy the URL to this page, but this is not a page we would generally send people to, as it's private and it will redirect to the checkout page. Here you can see a preview page, and this is how your checkout page looks. And finally, you can edit this page by going into the edit page icon on the right hand side. To find out more about designing course pages inside of Zenler and your membership or courses, please find the support doc on this.